Look at her.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Beautyforeverhair. So I have another bomb unit to share with you guys from Beauty Forever. So you guys know I like to get right into it, so let's get started. So of course I like to share everything I receive inside of my packaging before I give you guys a look of the hair. We have an HD wig cap, which I am already wearing. A band for the lace. We also have a brush for the baby hairs. I like this one because it comes with an extra brush. So when this one wears out, you can attach the new one and detach the old one. So now that I shared everything that I received, now I can show you guys this beautiful unit here. This is their 13x4 pre-everything wig. I also received some pre-everything lace tape for the lace. So right out of the box, y'all, the lace looks really good. Because of this being a pre-everything wig, your lace is already cut for you. It's plucked for you too as well. And the knots are already bleached. So basically the hair is pretty much prepped for you and ready for you to wear. This is what the texture looks like. Super cute. Texture is really, really pretty. Very soft to the touch right out of the box. So as you guys can see, look how good that lace looks. The knots are very small, which gives, you know, the lace and hairline that illusion of it being realistic, which I love. I love that the knots are very, very small. So that's what makes your hairline and your lace look natural as possible, like scalp. I want you guys to get a good look at it skin to lace. So that's gonna melt down really, really good. Look how good that looks. I'm so happy that I don't have to pluck. As you guys can see, it does come in the middle part ready for you to wear. You can put it in a side part, but I'll show you guys that in a moment. This is the construction of the unit. This is how much lace you do get, which is a good amount of lace. You do have some tape right here on the side, okay? Then you do have this band here in the back here, okay? It is stretchy and comfortable to fit. If you would like to remove it, you can. It is optional. Personally, I'd rather keep it on. So this is the adjustable straps in the back you do get to as well. It gives you that double security because you already have that band, okay, that you also can adjust here. Okay, so now that I showed you everything, let's get started on actually putting the hair on. I said the texture was Jerry curly. The texture is water curly, okay? So this is definitely, I was definitely looking at it like Jerry curly will probably look a little different. This is water curly. This is really, really pretty. So let me go ahead and put the unit on now that we adjusted our straps and everything. Oh, you guys, that was super easy to put on. Oh, this looks amazing right out of the box. Hold up now, wait a minute. I like how as soon as I put it on, this right here, the front is lays down very flat. It's no bulkiness or anything, so it just lays right down on my skin. That looks really good, and that is no glue. Now on the side here, I am going to use the lace tape. I believe that's why they have this here, so that you don't have to, you know, worry about you know, this part flabbing. If you do decide to not use any glue, you can just use this lace tape here, which they did provide extra in the packaging. So I am going to use that to lay down the edges, and after that I feel like we're going to be good. We probably won't need any glue, y'all. Like, this looks so freaking good. That hairline looks amazing right out of the box, y'all. Oh, I love this. Like, the more that I'm looking at it, I love this texture. I think this is my first time having a water curly texture. Like I'm used to the water wave, but this is water curly. So it's like the texture has curls going this way, like in spiral, and then you also have wave texture too. So I like that. It's like a mixture of both. And as you guys can see, it comes in that middle part for you, ready to wear. And you also could do a side part. So I'm going to part it in another area so you guys can see that you can part this wherever you want. So that looks good. You also can part it here, wherever you part. You definitely don't have to pluck. But I think I'm going to keep it in the middle. I like the middle part. The middle part is definitely giving, honey. Like, I believe this length is like probably a 22. I could be wrong. I'll have it in my description box. But this is the length on me. This is what the back look like. Really pretty. Like, it feels so full. Very lightweight and not heavy at all, like at all. This hair is bomb, y'all. Okay, so my ear is comfortable. You guys can see my ear is there. It's not hiding, so that's good. I could never peel this tape off right, so y'all give me a moment so I can really look at what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, I'm still learning the tape, you know, but it's definitely easy. All you have to do is peel back this little layer, and then that's when you see like the clear tape part, and you just lay it down. Okay, so now that that is down, that's not going nowhere. We love that. Because other than that, like, because around this perimeter of the wig, it is laid down flat, and you don't have, and that is no glue, and it's not going anywhere. But if you just make sure that your edges are laid down, and you're basically good to go. And I could just walk out the house like this, you know. That's pretty much it with this hair, but I just want to show you guys in detail everything, because it is, you know, such a versatile unit. But I'm really done. There's nothing else to say. There's nothing else to do. I love the unit, but I do want to say, if you want to use some type of glue or spray, you can. I would suggest just using some adhesive spray, not adhesive glue. That's too harsh. That's too much for this wig. You don't have to do all of that. This wig's supposed to just save you some time, girl. This is a get up and go type of wig, because it's already done for you. You can use some adhesive spray or some Got2b spray, which is something I'm about to use now. This is super easy and quick.
How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
And while that's happening, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mousse on the hair. Because this hair being a textured unit, you want to make sure that, you know, you want to be able to wear mousse on the hair, any type of product on the hair that you personally like to use on curly hair, you can do that. And water, of course. So I'm gonna find a spray bottle. I think my spray bottle was broken, so I'm gonna find my spray bottle and use a little bit of some mousse on the hair. Okay, you guys, I went in the bathroom and I just wet my hair just with water, so you guys can see what the texture looks like with water. I'm gonna brush it.
Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key all this time?
Okay, this is just with water. This is dry. You guys can see. And now I'm going to use a little bit of this mousse. Okay, so this is what it's giving, you guys. This is what it's looking like. Looks very, very, very pretty. That's pretty. Very cute, very cute. I can imagine how it's gonna look dry once it gets dried. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look like this once it's dried completely. But this texture is very pretty. It gives me like vacation hair, really good vacation hair. I know right now the weather is perfect for curly hair because usually around this time, this season, everybody is traveling. And you know, we are in heat now. It's approaching, so I feel like curly hair is the best hair to wear during the summer, especially on vacation. If you're by water, if you're going to the beach, everybody is getting in the pool around this time, so this will be perfect just for that. And it's easy to put on, like it's super quick to throw on and go. It's, you know, and even if you wanted to wear this on your vacation and wanted to take this off to put something else on, it's going to be so easy to do, you know. So this is just really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera and then come back and show you guys how it looks all together. Okay, y'all, this is the hair all wet, all mushed up and wet. Baby, that looks good. Okay, I'm using a little bit of brush from my makeup brush. This has my foundation on it, so we're just blending it all together so that we can make sure it's blended. But baby, that looks good, honey. That looks bomb. The hair is still drying. I low-key want to blow dry it, but I'm gonna just let it air dry a little bit. I like the wet look, but me personally, I like when my curly hair gets dry and the curls just look so juicy and, like, you know, I don't know. I personally like the dry hair look with my curly hair. So I am going to go ahead and do a little baby hair real quick.
Then I'll be right there. Make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location.
Yo, Cash, you made this beat?
Adam Cash on the track.
Okay, you guys, so I just put a little bit of concealer. This is my personal preference. I actually didn't need it, okay? The parting, it looks good, but sometimes I like to put a little bit of concealer, some makeup right down the parting, just so that it just looks like it's a little bit more there. I don't know, and just something extra I like to do. And then I did my baby hairs. This is what the baby hairs look like. It's a little something, and I think the hair is kind of getting much more drier now. That's what it's looking like. I want the hair to dry up just a little bit more, but I like it a lot. It's really pretty. Everything about it is great condition, so I have nothing bad to say about it. Beauty Forever always come through with great quality hair, so I'm not even surprised. The hair details, the one that I have on, the length of the hair, everything will be in the description box. So make sure you guys click that link in the box, okay? Because baby, this hair is definitely giving what she needs to give, honey. I am ready to be outside with her this summer, okay? This is what you need to have. Look at her. Like, get it to her. She's definitely giving what she needs to give. And yeah, get her. She's ready for whatever you need to do. Run errands, work, going to work, vacation, honey, it all. So make sure you click that link in my bio. If there is a coupon code, it will be there too as well. Until next time, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.